Okay, so this, we found the spot. On the cord, it is labeled ID1. So on here, you look for ID1. And so we found where that goes. So you just take it, and plug it in. I have this backwards. Take it and plug it in. Just like, come on, go in there. Go through the hole. Plug it in. It's not in there all the way. Take it and make sure it goes in.
Austin, after you're done with this video, I need help with it.
Just make it go in all the way. Okay. Make sure it's in there. Now for this one, I still have not found its spot. Yes, I have. I just did. You take it, and it goes into right here.
Where the keyboard is.
Take it, push it in. So now I think it would be easier if we close this up some, so the wires are not so tightened, or not tightened, but stretched. And then you just take this by whichever one you feel is good, and you just plug it in up here. And this cord as well is labeled. This one is labeled ID2. So you take this, plug it in, just like that. Make sure it goes in there all the way. You take this, bring it down here. I have it backwards again. Take it, plug it in, and just make sure it fits in there. Push it in there. And there you go. And now it's in. And so then, I still don't know what this goes to.
Is it easy?
It's fun.
Yeah, I think so.
If you don't know, shut the fuck up. Okay, so now we get to shut this. For now, we can shut it. Come on, shut. Dang it, quit.
It's in the video here.
Just take this, turn it around, and now we will put doing that, please. So we take this, and it just goes right in there. Just take it, pop it into place. Make sure it goes in the right place. Watch out. Stop it.
Dude, you forgot to do the top first. The top goes in first.
It doesn't have to.
It does.
Who doesn't? I guarantee you. Hold on. I'll put this freaking thing on there backwards. God dang it, now I gotta open it back up. Stop!
Dude, I just got it.
Here. Stop. I gotta do it the right way. So it doesn't break anything. There it is. Alright, yes it is. Get in there.
Bye.
Come on.
Hi.
Okay, so now we can shove this again.
Hi. It's just cool to talk to you anyway.
Just take it. Latch it in there. Just goes in there.
Do your work.
Take it. Make sure it's in there right. Get in there now. There.
Are you almost done?
These pieces. Almost, yes. So then with this one, you take it. And you put it right there where that's at. Just like that. So as you can see, it's there. And then with this piece, nothing is here, so we can put this there. Wait, it don't fit. So instead, we put it up here at the top. Maybe not. 1 second. This is for the something that we're not using, that we do not have. Oh, yes. This, you just take it, pop it in right there. Just like that. No, you don't. Okay, hold on. I have this backwards. What goes into this slot is this one. It goes into that's where it's supposed to be at. No, it's not. This goes inside of this, like that. So in this, you just take it, put it right there, like that, and this, yes, it goes into this spot here. And then yeah, that's where this is supposed to go. Yes, this computer is kind of weird. No, it's not. I'm just putting things in the wrong places. This piece goes there.
Yeah, it does.
After I turn it around, it goes like that. And this piece goes right here. And then that's the front.
Guess what? You forgot a piece.
Where?
There's supposed to be a piece that goes through here. It's over there.
I took it off because there's no point in having it on there.
Oh, it doesn't have the little pull.
Yeah. Now this is the top. So all you do is you take this here, and you just take it and snap it into place. Just take it, goes on like that. Just has to make it get on there. Just snaps into place, pretty much. I gotta lift it up.
Isn't that?
I gotta open this, and then it goes in there like that.
Oh, tell me that's the chip for another. Tip.
Do it.
Hi. You're not gonna say hi to me? You're not gonna say hi to me? Can I have your number?
Okay, I did this. I did something wrong. Wait a second. Well, okay, I didn't do anything wrong. I'm just doing this backwards. That's all.
Kids just messing around. You can get messing around.
No, we're watching a video of this guy that sounds like Cole and Lacey.
This we
He
gotta
sounds like just
pop
like
it open again, so we can remove this.
This girl like walked by. I was like, hey. And I was like, hi. And she goes, she just keeps walking. I was like, oh, you're not even gonna say hi to me? She goes, hi. I'm like, can I have your number?
And then I get on.
She just kept walking. I don't even know who she is. This is an 8th grader.
When you say it, you gotta say, hey.
We're almost done.
Sit up.
Why? We're almost
Sit back in your
done.
bedroom. Sit up.
You don't
You're
like
not
it?
laying on the floor.
Come on. It just snaps in there. So once you have this on the right way, then you can then take it, go just like that, and snap it into place. Maybe. Once it's in place, all snap into place like this. This thing it came undone. God dang it. Yes, it's coming undone over there, so let me put the CD-ROM back. Close it up and then get that fixed. So come to over here. This it's up too high. There we go. And there. All better. You take it, shut it up. Just take it and shut it. Once it locks into place, which I think it already has. It has not been popped yet. And there you go. And so this computer, it's designed for Microsoft Windows 2000 Professional or Windows NT Workstation 4.0. And another one is Windows 98. But this one, it has Windows 2000 Professional on it. And its name is a Dell Optiplex GX150. And from my research, I have found out that it has Pentium 3 on it. So there is your computer.